Welcome to this course on Start Your Journey from Embedded to IoT.
Now there is a very much important question that always arises in the mind of the students, that how we can relate IoT with the embedded system. Okay, is embedded system can be considered as an IoT product or not, or the IoT product is the embedded system or not? So we will going to answer this here. Okay, so when we are talking about the Internet of Things, what we have told you that we have got the things, and when we are connecting that things with the help of the internet, that product is known as the IoT product. And when we are talking about the embedded system, so embedded system, what we have seen that in the embedded system, all the processing is being done. The sensor will sense some signal, it will going to send to the microcontroller or the microprocessor, and the output is in the form of a actuator. Okay, so the processing is being done. So you can see that I have shown you that this green color chip in which the signals are being sent. On the my right hand side, you can see this. I have shown you the embedded system, and here I have shown you the IoT. So how the IoT is been related to the embedded system? So what I can say that whenever we are designing the IoT devices, it has got only one function or maybe two functions. Let's say if you want to turn on the LED, so the turning of a LED is only a one function. You can turn on and off the LED. If you want to turn the AC, you are turning on and off AC. You are maintaining the temperature. You are increasing or decreasing the temperature. So what we can say that whenever we are referring to the IoT devices, they have got a particular one or two function only. The IoT devices till now, whatever the IoT devices we are developing, they are not been designed for the multitasking operation. So you have to remember this thing. Till now, in future we don't know that in the future the IoT devices which we will be developing, it will be based on the not only the single function, we have a multitasking operation. Okay, but now in a current scenario, whatever the IoT products are being developed, they has got a single function. They are basically designed for a single function only. So what we can say that the embedded system, whenever we are designing the embedded system, if we are connecting that embedded system with the internet, so our device will be known as the IoT devices. It will going to remain as the embedded system device always, but it can be classified as a IoT devices if you are connecting your embedded system with the internet. Okay, if you are not connecting that embedded system with the IoT, that is the internet, it will not be classified as a IoT product. Okay, so this is only the keyword you have to remember.